Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to make a junk journal using recyclables and trash that you have around your house. So any kind of thing like that that you can find that's free, that's not like a digital or, things like that where you have to really spend some money on it. We can do this with just household items, pretty much. So let's see. So what I want to do is just show you guys some stuff that I've collected, and I want to make a signature with it. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so this is just a pizza. I got it on the insert of a pizza box or something, and there was like an extra one, and I grabbed it out somehow, and it did not get grease on it, so it worked out. So I want to incorporate that. And some of these things I will incorporate and some I won't. It depends on how bulky it gets. But also some magazine pages, which are great. You can get these, you can get them for free pretty much. Or just have some handed down, see if your neighbors have any, see if family members have any. You can get magazine, sent to you and stuff. So I just got some clippings of some fun magazine images that we'll throw throughout. So this is fun. And I actually got a lot of them from my mom. She sends me some too, which are just like some craft ones and stuff. And yeah, so they're just fun. Fun little things to add to your junk journal. And just some packaging, which this makes great pockets. Okay. So you could do like stuff like that. Some envelopes. Definitely do some envelopes. So we'll incorporate those. Envelopes, different kinds. Just look at the pockets, are fun to play with. When you put stuff in them, you can see through them. So these are always fun to use. You could do different sizes, different pocket sizes. I really love this one. This is a nice big window in it. So that one's gonna be cool. And then you can do big. You can go big as you want. It's all envelopes. Those are all great. And then flyers. The flyers that you get in the mail. This one was so cool. I am incorporating this one. I need to. It's so cool. So you open it up like this, right? And then it opens up like this. Then you pull this out and you got a little booklet with tabs on the top of it. I had to keep it. I'm like, I am making something with this. So it already has little tabs up at the top. Oh, how cool is that? It's already ready already. Look at that. And then this goes in here. These flip down. There's a pocket over here. You can't get any better than that. So I definitely want to add this into our journal. For sure. And flyer. Which these are great. You can bind it like that and then have it so it flips out like that. So those are fun. And then, kind of the same deal. You can just have it flip out. You can bind it on this side. Bind it right through here and have it flip out this way. So those are great. Is he cute? Hey, he's such a cutie. I'm trying not to get too much of a glare, so sorry if there is. I got my light here. I can move it over a little bit. And then more flyers. Like this is a good size. I really like that size right here. And, different things, different flyers. These are awesome. I love using these. And then you got different sizes, which are fun to play with. So we'll see how many I can incorporate in. Oh, and I thought this was really cool. So it came as a booklet that opens like this, right? So I went ahead and I cut it, I ripped it in half so we can have it so it splits up like that. Like, how fun is that? So I can bind in like this, and then we can have it so it flips up on each different page. So I thought that would be kind of fun to incorporate. Okay, and bag, any kind of bags that you got. So this works great. This can be bound in, and we got pockets to play with. I'll have to trim this side, and we can have another pocket. Cereal bags, perfect. Yep, I want to incorporate one in. I'm going to cut it over here, and then we can have these for pockets. Great. And then this, I want to make my cover. I want this to be the cover of the whole thing. So it's going to be a big whopper. So we can get all this stuff in here. So I'm just using the Amazon packaging for my cover. So there we go. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay. So we're going to start with this. Okay. And just kind of get some stuff going here. Let's see what we can do. And I'll make sure to trim all this and stuff, but I just want to kind of fold it with you guys and see how we want to put all this together. Okay, because I love how the Amazon packaging is a nice big size, you know. Let's move some stuff to the side. So these are going to be fun to play with. I also have my bone folder. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day and getting out all your junk that you just have hanging around. And we're gonna make a authentic junk journal from scratch here. So we're gonna start with just getting our junk mail, getting our flyers, you know, getting our bags, our fast food bags that we have, our you know, all kinds of stuff. I mean, just look through your mail, look through your things, look through your packaging and stuff that you've gotten shipped to you, and just check it out, see what you got, and just start folding it. Just start folding it up, looking at it, seeing, you know, some flip, you know, like different flips that we were looking at, and different things. That's why it's all right there in front of you for free. And then I am going to make a series of this, and we're going to decorate and incorporate magazine pages, and all kinds of, I mean, we're just going to do just what we got. That's the fun part. We're just going to look around and go, will that look good in the junk journal? Yes, yes, it will. And just go through your scraps and your things that you got hanging around, stuff that you're not going to, it's all about not having to spend some money right now, you know? Times are hard, and it's like, don't want to be spending money on things. So it's like, find what you got. You don't have to. You can still have some fun. I'm sure all of us have some kind of magazines hanging around, you know, for sure. So I'm just kind of, you can see, just laying, they don't have to be perfect. I'm just kind of layering them up like that. And I know you guys probably have a lot of these flyers, which I know I do, because I'm always like, ooh, save that, save that. So I have tons of them. Okay. So let's see, we can break this up a little bit. Maybe, ooh, let's do this one. See, this one's gonna be fun. I think I'll bind it like that. Okay. And let's see, no. We're gonna have to bind it in. Okay, we'll figure that one out. We'll figure this one out. Okay, we'll just keep going. Just keep going with the flow here. So we're just stacking them in, doing this. So I'm just kind of staggering them back and forth so they don't have to be all uniform, you know. And I'll make sure to go and trim all the ones that I want all trimmed off. Like that one looks pretty good. Let's see. See, this one's gonna be fun. And I'll make sure I'll trim this one too. But these are gonna be great pockets to play with. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty much just go through your stuff. And it really, you know, I mean, you feel so satisfied just doing this and getting everything in a spot, you know. Then you know, you don't have your big pile just sitting over there anymore. I thought this would be kind of cool to do this. We could do something like this with it. Why not? Try something different, you know. And then these are fun to play with. This could be a couple little pockets. Okay. And let's incorporate some more magazines here. I'm gonna do this. I might just keep that like that. I kind of like the highness of the back like that. And I'm sure we're going to wind up covering it. Okay. Let's do ourselves a little flip out. So this one will bind like that. Make sure to get all the little sticky things off of here that they add. We don't need those. Okay, and then this one will go like this. Flip out that way. Okay. Oh, and we got this bag. Maybe put something in between it. Or we could put our bag back here somewhere. I'm sure I'm going to organize this a million different ways before I actually bind it. But I'm just kind of showing you guys, you know. Just showing you how I'm stacking them and stuff. And then I will organize them, get them how I want it, and then come back with it all bound and show you guys, and we'll do like a little flip through of everything. And yeah, we'll go from there. It'll be fun. So I'm just kind of getting your guys' juices going here, just to grab some stuff that you have hanging around and putting it all together. So get your stuff collected up. And yeah, so I'm debating. I'm almost thinking I'll just do this one in the middle. That would make sense, right? And I kind of want to go sideways like this with this. Like diagonal. That's a triangle. That would be fun. Yeah. Go like this with it. And then this one I'll have in the middle, because then it'll open up and have all the fun goodies in here that we could play with. Okay, so I know that one's going in the middle. That's about it. But I'm going to play around with this, get it situated how I want it, bind it all together, cut everything to size, and cut all the little sides and stuff off that I want to. And I'll be back. Okay, so I got this all done. Check it out. Let's see. So we got our awesome cover here, and I did the 3 pamphlet stitch here, 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And I left some hanging just in case. I don't know, you never know. I might do something with it. Okay, and I just want to do a little flip through just to show you guys what we got here. And there we go. So look through all your junk mail, check all your little magazines you got hanging around, keep your packaging, because this makes it great. I mean, packaging is awesome to work with in junk journaling. See what you got hanging around and get your little junk mail journal going here, and we'll be all caught up together. So get yours all set, and I will see you guys next time. So if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.